Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discuss part 66. Payment some value from a forest loop in Laravel 12. Tuition classes in Laravel 12. This is my official website www.errorsolutioncode.com. This YouTube channel is for sale $1199 in this place plus 9919941599815. Please contact and any website related services. Contact for website related services. Please contact this number. Let's start this video. First of all, my gem server already started, Apache and MySQL, and this is my project is available. This my project gem directory inside this htdoc directory, and this project name is Laravel 12, and this is already open. This my Sublime text editor, and this is a already run localhost Laravel underscore 12, and this is already run. This is amount is available, this amount, and this table is available, payment table. This is run this localhost PSP my admin inside this payment table. Inside this is a two amount is available, this amount and this amount is available inside. This is a sum is a implementation, this video, this payment, and this is a dynamic get record is available. Let's table. This is a open payment table, resource view, super admin, and this is payment, and this is a list, and this is already record is a get. This record is a already get forest loop inside this forest loop inside this already get. This is a amount, less amount inside this is a 999. Save file and I refresh this page successfully. This is a inside this 999 is a available, and this is how you are. Please step by step watch this video. Let's inside this is again this is a PSP start PSP and end PSP and PSP successfully start and end PSP. Let's step by step inside this implementation. This is one variable is a create $total amount $total amount. This is amount is equal to 0. Save file. Let's inside this for less inside this is the implementation. This implementation end PSP and PSP start. This is the same name, copy and paste here is equal to this paste here, and inside this is a plus, and the same name is a value, copy paste here, successfully paste, and this is amount is a sum, step by step implementation, and this is a variable is a copy, and inside this is empty. Inside this implementation tr and ts call span for total amount and td. Let's inside this is td, and this is already available. This variable is same name variable, copy, and inside this paste here, successfully paste, and this is the last is a tadd ts, and this is a call span for save file. Let's refresh this page is a refresh, and this is a wrong way inside this implementation, but wrong way. Total amount is successfully set, but this amount is inside. So let's step by step implementation. Inside this is only one. Save file and refresh this page. This one is a two not working. Let's do save file and refresh this page successfully. This is amount is available. This amount is a good. This 00 and this is 87. This all good. This is a sum. Successfully sum is a implementation 1 2 3 and 4. Last implementation this is a 4, and next is a 2 1 and 2, and this is a total 4 6 5 6 and 7. Total 7 is a implementation. This is a 7. Last number is a implementation. First of all, this is a if condition is a implementation is empty condition. If empty and paste here $, and if save file, and if successfully file is a save, but as it is a working good. Last number is a implementation number format. 2 is a number format. Let's save file and refresh this page and working fine. This is a number format. No, why this is my mistanding. If is empty total amount, not a total price, total amount. Save file, total amount. Successfully file save. Let's refresh this page. 100% this 00 is a good available. This is a 00 is a working fine. The same name is inside this amount, and this is a 2, and this is a 0 2. After is a set, all good. This is a working fine. This is all successfully. This is a sum is a total amount. Only simple way. This is a amount. Let's inside this is a new record is a create. Let's create new record, and this vivek amount is at only 0.5.vish, and date is a implementation. Method is a cart, not is a po, and submit. This is enter value is a 5, greater than 5. Submit. Successfully submit, and this is a successfully. This is available. This is a sum. All good. This working fine. This is a sum is a successfully show, and inside this is a, so let's refresh this page. Successfully inside this is a available. All good. This sum is a working fine. Only simple way. This is only implementation. Forest loop inside this is a implementation. This forest loop inside, and this is a number format is a 2, and this is only simple. This is the implementation, and this sum is a include. All good. And this is my YouTube channel. Please subscribe and click the bell icon. Follow all social media link, Facebook, Instagram, and get it inside this my call number, inside this my website. This is available. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.